What is supposed to agree or
you can, if you can agree, you can disagree. Now she says, what do I do if I get a call in the bus?
It might be important also. Then it might be important. Then
you should speak. You should speak. Only then you should understand you're speaking on a mobile, not directly.
The point is
I made it very clear initially that we are not doing it with mobile phone. It's an essential integrity for life. I could tell that somebody will tell, I'm a doctor boss, I need to answer the phone, somebody's going to die. She's a doctor there. And that is the point. What do I do? Now you need to talk. But how to ensure the etiquette of talking by not disturbing others is the point I'm going to make. Yes, sir, you.
I think I'm going to give a very economical solution because all campaigning minutes as well as keeping a booth, those are all like costly affair. So what we can do is invade the invader. We can start conversing with whatever they are talking and then make them embarrassed and they would automatically stop. I think that would be stop. I think I have one experience myself. I had this person who is sitting and speaking about his love life, and then I got so irritated and I started talking to Chinmay saying that okay, love is so much complicated, why is this, so that the other person
what if Chinmay is not traveling with you? I want to talk about love.
I think we can start conversation.
He says aggression is the answer. Is aggression the right point? I really don't.
No, I'm not talking about the aggression over here. Probably we can start the sweet conversation.
The point what I'm saying here is you're talking about the invasion of your privacy, but you end up ending up invading his privacy too. How are you taking? Are you taking somewhere?
That's the way homeopathy also works.
I will leave the floor to Chairman. Excuse me, sir. I will give this lady a chance. Okay. I promise to come back to you.
I think you cannot restrict it everywhere. You can restrict it in some places. For example, if you're going to a theatre, probably before entering the theatre, put a sign there, like no smoking. So no mobile phones. Like we already have it in some banks, near the place where they take the money. So you can have it in only certain places. So the way they restrict it depends on the organization.
Yes, sir.
That is announcement.
It is a very rational idea. I'm talking about the instrument. This is an electronic instrument. There are so many wonderful innovations happening in electronics and technology. You can actually change the instrument. So you're talking about sound, the ring volume. You can reduce that. You can reduce that in the phone, give it at a minimum.
Fantastic that you are talking about 50% of the problem being solved.
Okay, just one more.
And what about the second part?
About the talking. When you're talking, whatever is receiving the talk, it knows what is your volume you're talking at. So the instrument itself can respond, you're talking to the world. So you need to turn down your talk. So the instrument says the instrument is intelligent to understand.
It's an expensive thing.
So he is telling the instrument to say, buddy, you are speaking very loud, cut the crap. Something like that?
No. Softer.
What it can do is if the voice goes beyond a decibel, it can generate an echo.
Okay. We are talking about this seems to be getting somewhere now. Ramesh says, Mr. Dinesh, your attention. Mr. Ramesh says, once you speak on a higher decibel, a sort of a beep comes or echo comes, so you automatically calm down. Okay?
No, I have a problem. So many times when I speak, people say it's not audible. So I'm forced to speak loud.
Like for you, we should have an amplifier.
An exceptional rule will have an amplifier for us.
No, but then you're breaking the rule.
I will actually disagree with you there in the sense we find you pleasant and soft enough about that. But people who say you're not audible enough actually need your medical attention. And now we shall come to the point of having a gadget which echoes your voice or tells you you're loud, something like some signal.
It indicates or it inhibits you speaking beyond a decibel. It is not even indicated.
And you call it a governor?
Yeah, some sort of governor.
Okay.
Voice governor.
Voice governor.
Noise governor.
Voice governor.
I have one point on that.
Just say that yes.
See, in the Microsoft Communicator, we have something called as whether I am busy, whether I am online, whether I am not there kind of a thing. Options are available. In the mobile also, we can set that particular thing, saying that private, I am traveling or anything. If I set that particular setting, then caller will get the message saying that when he is traveling or is in a private place, do you really want to talk to him? Then you can activate the voice cover.
It's a fabulous, give a round of applause. pays to work in Infosys. I think you are reaching to what you call bringing in what you call means within the system itself.
Within the system.
And the government would be part of the system. There are so many modalities in like you right now it's there. Busy mode, I'm in a meeting mode.
Yes.
And probably this also could be incorporated there.
It will be incorporated into that.
Where that there are some people who still have the urge, like a
Absolutely.
shopaholic who wants to say, I have to take this call. Or SMS comes from my wife, you better take this call, you're not coming home for lunch. What do I have to take this call? Or like Dr. Chaya can say, this patient is really suffering. And the call comes, she has to take this call. What should she do? She moves out of the place and gives her voice about them. Or she can tell, she can tell a junior, probably use this initial by the time I reach there, something like that. So the point is, are we going to use what you call
Options.
Options. Shall we put this now?
Like you have already have the
Can you frame this
silent-
for me, Ramesh? Can you frame this, what he's saying? It seems plausible that this can work. But the whole thing, can you put it in one word, like, options? What do you call these options?
So I have an area of concern. See, now this is any technology will take some 10 to 20 years for the entire public to adapt. So if we are going to bring about such a thing, it does. Usage of mobile phones or anything, laptops. When was the mobile phone first invented? You must be knowing better. So what I'm saying is, if you bring in a change in technology.
Let me give an area of concern, we'll come back to you now.
Yes.
So if we bring about such a thing like what Sir mentioned, it will take some 10-20 years for us to bring in the technology.
Sir, first of all, you're talking about an era.
Nehal, what do you have to say about this?
Mobile
No, this
technology
is already there. This technology is
Sir, there's a pretty lady behind you who wants to talk. Nehal.
I think mobile technology, I think we adopt to a new technology in mobile phones every single day. There's a new mobile phone coming out every month. And with a new technology, and we can adopt to it every month.
What about the vegetable vendors out there? Will they be able to afford it?
When we
Sir,
speak
we're
about
talking
having a
about
voice governor,
Just
in
talking
the end,
about imbibing into this whole system. So I think very basics of mobile, like you have your mobile and you have your busy mode, you have your outdoor mode. You're talking about imbibing into the basics of it. So why can't it be?
So the mobile
it
doesn't
might take
itself-
6 months. Technology in Japan changes every 6. They throw out their cell phones every 6 months.
You don't know
And India
about-
too.
But the mobile,
I would tend to agree in the sense, I remember the time when mobiles had not even come to India and I was worried about having to memorize a 10-digit number. And ultimately when it came, I know probably 110-digit numbers. And I know of my servant who does have a mobile and she can't look at the numbers of the people that matter. But she knows 10 numbers because those are numbers which matter to her. She can't read a name, she can't read a number, but she knows the 10 numbers. Typically, if you could make it user-friendly, I have this view, it could possibly happen.
so when you speak about voice governor, when Sir spoke about the things what we receive, as in if you're traveling or privacy or anything, the mobile technology doesn't itself tell the other